Gara today, Feliz. Hi guys, good morning. Today is September 27, 2025 and the time is 8:46 ng umaga. This is my baby Feliz. Sumisinok-sinok. Sinok time. Duduling ka eh. This is my dream came true. To have a baby girl, no? A baby girl looks like a baby boy, no? You're 41 days old today. Kikita mo na ako? Ashoo! Do you see me? Kita mo ang baby ko? You're my only daughter. You're my only daughter. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. This is the best gift I've ever had. A baby girl. 41 days old baby girl. Yung sumisinok-sinok. Tapos lang magdudu. Tapos lang magdudu ng aking baby girl. Baby girl ko. Hi guys! Last day of the month. Kasama ko si Felix and Feliz! Bantay Bata 163. Sarap magpa-parlor. Ito yung parlor na walang budget. Masawa mo na lang magsakulay at mag-sa'yo para walang gastos. Morning, morning, morning. 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 Bless you. Bless you. Kagigising mo lang after 3 hours ng tulog tapos inaantok ka pa din. Hikap pa rin siya. Cute ang mga babies. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Nilagyan ako sa'yo.
Papa, wait. Ouch pa, ouch.
Flowers for you. Pansit, yung kainin muna tayo pagkain.
Wala na iba ba? Ito lang. Ayaw mo?
Meron ako doon sa taas. Don't touch. Here, you touch here. You say, wow.
Baby.
You say, wow, baby.
Baby.
Wow, baby. Don't touch the face. Only here.
Baby.
You say, wow, baby. Wow. You say, wow.
Baby. And baby. Go. Baby. Wow, baby. Wow, baby.
Don't touch her face, okay?
Baby.
Love your baby sister?
Baby.
Love. You love your baby sister?
Baby. Baby.
It's our burp time. Pero, matutulog na siya. It's a burp time. Don't sleep, Feliz. Burp muna bago matulog.